Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Happy new week to you all. So guys, here is my DIY hair growth oil. I have flaxseed, I have uh, chai seed and quinoa. So that is three powerful seed that I use to make this oil. So here is my bamboo and the aloe vera. So here I have my jojoba oil, and here I have my hemp seed oil. So guys, this is all my oil, and they are super good for hair growth. So guys, now I'm just going to move over to add my grease. Here I have my lanolin hair grease. Guys, if you really want to keep your hair moisturized, then you should look out for this grease because it's super moisturizing for hair growth. Like, I have got a lot of feedback that this product is super good for their hair, like it's super good for to moisturize and also to contribute to your hair growth. So this is the DAS pomade. This one also is also good to define your coils, keep your hair moisturized. Here I have, so here is kukata. Hey God. So kukata hair grease. This is dark, very dark, and it's good for dry scalp, itchy scalp, like any scalp issue. Like, this is really good to cure your itchy scalp and dry scalp. So now I have all my DAS grease, so I'm going to mix everything together. Today we are using only DAS and oils, so that is really good to contribute to your hair growth. Guys, if you want to make your flaxseed, quinoa and chai seed oil, so it's really simple to make. So guys, now I've already mixed everything together. I put it inside my container, so it's time to apply this product to my hair. So that braid that I did, I just take it down. So I want to kind of put my hair back to another protective style. So I want to do like braid. I want to braid my hair again, plus ponytail. Guys, I will be wearing ponytail on top of this braid. So just sit down and you will see how I am going to achieve that. Okay, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my new video. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you guys so much. I can see your handwork. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you guys. So first of all, I'm going to spray some water on my hair. So this is the grease that I mixed earlier, so I'm just going to take a little bit, then I will just rub it on my hair. So if you missed my previous video, which I use blue magic, so I will just leave the link at the description box below, so just go and check it out in case you have not seen it. So now I'm just going to brush my hair. As you can see, I'm just going to brush my hair. Okay, if you really want to keep your hair moisturized, like also contribute to your hair growth, and I think you should just try use your DAS, any like DAS or grease. Just try use grease on your hair. I really love DAS, blue magic, Africa best, Africa pride. All those grease are really good for hair grow, like what they call it, veggie hair fertilizer, dermatoid. Guys, there are a lot of hair grease that can really contribute to your hair growth. If you can also make your DIY oil, then you mix that with your hair grease, that is a double bullet that your hair is going to receive double benefit from grease and from your DIY hair growth oil. So now I'm done what braiding this one, guy. I'm not just going to like do mini braid because there's no time to do mini braid. I would have loved to do mini braid, but I'll be doing like medium size braid. Then I'll be back, guys, so that I will show you what I will do next. I'm not going to just take too much of your time today because most of you guys have already know how to kind of braid or twist your hair. I'm just going to show you how I also do it in my own way. Then just sit down and relax and also continue watching the video. So I'm just going to spray some water on my hair first, then you apply the hair grease. If you want to use a leave-in conditioner after applying the water, then you use your leave-in conditioner before you put the grease on top of it to seal in the moisture like a sealer. So since I'm not using any leave-in, I'm just going to go straight with my hair grease. Then I will just braid my hair as you can see me do right now. So guys, this is just these two I'm going to do on camera. The rest is going to be off camera. So now I am back. As you can see, I'm done braiding my hair. This is like a medium size. Now I'm going to put my hair in cuckoo ponytail. So there's some people that call it cuckoo in Nigeria, like jojoba. So I'm going to just put it on ponytail. Then I will I will use that. So I will use this net to kind of secure my hair. Then I will bring in my what again so my ponytail that I made myself. I have this video on my phone. I don't know what happened. So I'm going to use Echo Stylish Gel to kind of lay my hair, the fly away edges and all the fly away hair, so to lay them back. So I don't know how to do baby hair, so if you can lay your baby hair, you can also go ahead and do that. So here is the braiding ponytail that I made some months ago, guys. So I video it. I have the video, but I don't know where the video is again. So now I'm just going to I have two comb, so I'm going to use the comb to secure the hair before I will use the rope to tie the ponytail to my natural hair. So this is just how I'm going to achieve it. Just keep watching. So guys, I am done securing the ponytail to my hair. As you can see, yeah, if you can make your hair like a cornrow to shuku, that will be really fine. So I cannot cornrow my hair, so that's why I make this fat or rubber braid. So this is also good, like if you want to go out, you just pack your hair and pull your ponytail. People will not even know that it's ponytail because it just look like you braid your hair. So if you are feeling heat, you can just use a rubber band to just kind of do it 2 times. Just hold it that place in case you are feeling heat, because we are in hot weather. So this is really perfect for hot weather, because maybe you don't want to do braid on your hair, Bob Marley on your hair. You can just make this ponytail for yourself, and then anytime you want to go out, you braid your hair. So guys, this, don't mind me here, or just thank you guys for watching today's video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.